Hey guys, welcome back. It's I never played before, and I'm going to be doing another tin opening here. I got a Necrozma GX. I have 3 of them, but I'm going to open up one now, and then I'll do a couple of packs of evolutions. Oh, that was in there. So, how's everybody's New Year's going? Is everybody having a good New Year's so far? Leave down in the comments below, something maybe that positive that happened so far this year. A lot of negativity on the news. It'd be good to see some positivity. Alright, let's see. Check out the promo card. Hopefully we can start off on a positive note with a nice promo card. And it is. It's very nice. Alright, sweet. Sleeve that up. I do have one of these already. I'm not sure what kind of condition the first one was in. So if that one's in better condition, I won't replace it, but if not, I will replace it. Alright, let's see. Got the Ultra Prism, Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion, Evolutions, and Fates Collide. Let's do the Ultra Prism. We got Gibble, Murkrow, Snover, Piplup, Cherubi, Frostrotom for the reverse rare, and for the rare, non-holo Russerade. So no first pack magic on that one. Scoot that over there. I did a video yesterday. I uploaded it. It was me opening up Pokemon cards in random places. Yeah, I'd love if you check it out and give me some feedback on that, whether you like it. And I'll do more. Shello, the Weedle, Execute, Pumpkaboo, Swablu, Reverse Holo Dino, and for the rare, non-holo Hydrogen. Or Hydrogen, yeah, that's what it is. Little tank, as well as little bit of boo. Saving these QR codes for people who reach out to me. So if you want some QR codes, reach out to me, and I will get them to you. Alright, and then we will do a Fates Collide. I think there's like a song, Fates Collide, isn't there? Power Man 5000 or something? I don't know, that's Worlds Collide. Probably a Fates Collide too, because that's a cool name. Mincino, also a cool name. Raiwu, Binnacle, Colossus, Spoink. Ooh, I don't think I've ever seen a Weezing that I liked until now. That is a really cool looking reverse holo Weezing. And for the rare, non-holo Marowak. So not doing too good with the pulls. Really need some last pack magic. It's evolutions. Got an evolutions pack in here. Let's get some last pack magic. I'm gonna open up a few more evolutions packs right after this. Electabuzz, Drowsy, Staryu, Energy, Growlithe, Reverse Holo Electrode, and for the rare, oh right, Mega Blastoise EX. Do I have that one? I can't remember. And the secret rare, Imakunu's Doduo. Wow, I can't talk. Let's check out the Blastoise. I'm gonna put this on higher quality there. Closer resolution. Sorry. Closer zoom, higher resolution. Yeah, it looks really good. Maybe a little, tiny bit off center. Looks a little more narrow on this side than on this side. But there is no scratches. Alright, sleeve him up real quick. Alright. Go back out like that, and I'll get 4 packs of evolutions now. I've been on a streak with the evolutions here, pulling out a lot of good cards, so let's keep that going. I can't remember if I had that Blastoise or not. I know I have the full art for sure. I think I might have that one too. I just started playing Emerald. There's an emulator I downloaded on my phone because I never played that one. So starting there. It's fun. You can run with shoes now. That wasn't like that in the old ones. Charmander, Rattata, Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorb, Reverse Hollow Magmar, which I don't think I had him for the rare. Doug Trio. Still need that Reverse Hollow Pikachu. Nope, didn't get it. Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorbs, Sand Shrew, Poliwag, Reverse Hollow, Juice's Finger, and for the rare, Starmie. Yeah, can't win them all. I'll give that one to you guys. If you're waiting around this long, I think you deserve at least one QR code. But if you do want some more, just reach out and I will send them over. I'm gonna put some in the Discord as well. Yeah, I'm curious, what's your favorite Pokemon game out of all of them? I really like an Emerald, but I haven't beat it yet. Before that, it was definitely like Crystal. That was my favorite. Seal, Magikarp, Energy, Caterpie, Ghastly, Reverse Hollow Super Potion Trainer. I don't know if I had that one. And for the rare, Poliwrath, holographic. So I did get a holographic. Sweet. I think I definitely have that one. I need some last pack magic here. That tin was a dud. Except for the Mega Blastoise. Oh my gosh. Progressively get worse at opening packs. It's proven. Oh, that's an interesting. I think that's an error. Let's take a closer look at this. I think this is an error. Could be wrong. Maybe I just never noticed it before. But there is a very defined white light, which is supposed to be like part of the shadow. Possible I just never noticed it. But that's interesting. Keep that off to the side and check it out. Look into it. Caterpie, Ghastly, Rattata, did it, Reverse Hollow Charmander, and for the rare, Eradicate. No last pack magic, and no rare. Pikachu rare. Alright, I got a few minutes here yet, so I guess I'll just open up a couple more packs, because I didn't pull anything. Let's do at least 2 more here. Right, Staryu. You know, this one kind of has it, but the other one's like really white. Voltorb, Tangela, Poliwag, Reverse Hollow Eradicate for the rare, Dewgong. Oh man. I've had worse openings, but this is getting there. Because of the last one I did, where I opened up 4 of them, which would have been 2 videos ago, I got a Mega Venusaur and then a regular Venusaur EX, like right after each other. Drowsy, Staryu, Energy, Growlithe, Ghastly, Reverse Hollow Growlithe, and for the rare, a Farfetch'd. Oh my goodness. I cannot end it on that. Alright, I'm getting 2 more packs, because we gotta pull something out of here. Right. I'm feeling this last pack, not this one. The Venus pack, I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. Let's do it. Let's get something good. Vitorbs, Tangler, Polybag, Seal, Magikarp, Reverse Holo Nidorino, and for the rare, oh my gosh, a non-holo Dugtrio. This might be one of the worst openings in history. Put that over there. Here we go. This is the one. I can feel it. It's got something special in it. I'm literally gonna keep going. So if I don't get anything in this pack, I'm just gonna keep opening them up until I get something. Energy. Oh, why is that upside down? Growlithe, Ghastly, Charmander, Rattata, Versal Energy, and a Magneton holographic. I don't have that one actually, but that's not good enough. Let's keep it on. I'll go through this whole booster box if I have to. Alright. Pikachu, Machop, Weedle, Doduo, Onix, Reverse Holo Ponyta, and for the rare, non-holographic Arcanine. There's another one since we've been going at it for so long, if you're still here. I need some luck here, man. Vulpix, Magikarp, Weedle, Electabuzz, Reverse Holo Copy, and for the rare, oh my goodness, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna do it. We're gonna keep going. Definitely have a lot of bulk on this one. Weedle, Doduo, Staryu, Onix, Fairy Energy, Reverse Holo Weedle, and a Blastoise EX. Alright. Definitely have this one for sure. But that's still very nice. Yay! I pulled a full art. Yay! But I do have another pack out, so I might as well open that one too. And we'll check for the secret rare. Nope. Raichu. This pile of opened up packs on the side of me is pretty big. Alright. Magikarp, Weedle, Electabuzz, Drowsy, Staryu, Reverse Holo Charizard, Spirit Link, and for the rare, non-holo Electrode. What do you think? Should I open up some more to keep it going? Keep it going. Should I do 2 more just for the heck of it? Might as well. YOLO. Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Magnemite, Reverse Holo Voltorb, and for the rare, Hitmonchan. Holographic. I did not have this one. This was one of my favorites from like basic. Wasn't even sure that was in here. Very nice condition. Alright, pretty stoked about that one. I know it's not going to be worth much, but I like it. Alright, what do we got? Caterpie, Polybag, Pikachu, Ponyta, Nidoran, Reverse Holo Caterpie, and for the rare, nice! Train Missy's Determination. I didn't have this one either. full art. That is nice. I have the Brock. Brock's grit. I don't need too many more cards left. I need about 6. I'd say somewhere in that ballpark range. One of them I think is the Flying Pikachu. Hey, might as well keep going, right? 15 minutes. I'll just keep going for about 20 minutes. We'll keep going. Sandra, Ponyta, Magnemite, Pikachu, Machop. Ninetales breakout card. Pretty good. I always forget that this is in the reverse hollow spot. Non-hollow Electroid, Blastoise, Misty Determination, blah blah blah. And then give you that QR code too. Don't forget, guys, if you want the QR codes, just reach out to me. I have a ton of them. A ton of them. Alright. Pikachu. Ponyta. Nidoran. Vulpix. Energy. Reverse Hollow Metapod. And for the rare, non-hollow, Dugong. Might as well finish off this booster box. How many packs do I got left? 4. Alright, we'll finish this off. I really would like a holographic or reverse hollow Charizard. I can't believe I haven't pulled one yet. Got 3 mega full art Charizards though. Drowsy, Magikarp, Electabuzz, Rattata, Rowlet, reverse hollow Sandshrew, and for the rare, non-hollow Beedrill. There you go. I definitely need the Mega Venusaur full art as well. This is going to be probably my longest video and the most packs opened I've done. I'll have to count how many I did. 1. I don't need to count the Pokemon cards. Electabuzz, Rattata, Growlithe, Nidoran, Vulpix, Reverse Hollow Seal. Actually, I'm not even sure if I have that one. And for the rare, Electrode, a non-holographic. I always get that one. I might as well give these ones out for the last little bit. Energy, Growlithe, Machop, Voltorb, Diglett, reverse hollow Magikarp, and for the rare, non-hollow Beedrill. This booster box was not nearly as good as the last one. Even if this thing is packed, this last pack, even if this last pack is decked out, this is nowhere near as good as the first one. Alright, let's go. Machop, the Torbs, the Diglett, Caterpie, Poliwag, reverse hollow Magnemite, and for the rare, oh my goodness, non-hollow Mewtwo. Hey guys, appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I flew through that booster box there. I mean, not exactly sure how many packs I opened, but it was quite a bit. So anyway, appreciate it guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.